for your great support every morning. Okay, guys, I hope you had a great night and a wonderful start into this wonderful and lovely Friday. Thanks God, it's Friday. So the last trading day for this week and weekend can coming, I would say. Okay, I hope you're doing good. And yeah, we stream this show on YouTube at the same time. So if you watch it on YouTube or later as recording, you will find a button in the right corner. You can click on it. You can give us a like if you say, it's a cool show. And you can leave a comment if you want all the time. So it's just up to you. Okay, let me share my screen with you. Here we go, and give me the chat. Yes. Who is with me this morning? Where are you guys? Tina, lovely good morning. Plamen, wonderful greetings to Bulgaria. Cheese Singh, wonderful good morning. And Mihai, good morning. Hartmut, Raquel, Kurt, Boyko, good morning. I want to ask if there will be another morning meeting next month. We make this morning meeting every Monday, every day, Monday, Friday, and as long Admiral will. That we will see. Okay, I hope so. We can make it next month too. But as I am informed, I think we have this next month too. So every morning. Remo, good morning. D4, good morning. Greetings to Egypt, I guess it was, right? Okay, so what do we expect today? The upcoming events for today. Mladen, wonderful, and greetings to Croatia. Oh, my mom lives in Croatia, by the way. It's close to Split. It's Kostanje. It's close to Omiš. That is, my mom is living there. Good morning, Imrene. Nice to meet you here. So we expect today monetary developments, European Union, 9 o'clock, business, consumer surveys, business, Euro. Then the cost index, US this afternoon, personal income outlays this afternoon, and the survey of Michigan University this afternoon too. So the big numbers this week are over. So we can be focused on our charts, by the way, and all the other news you will find here in our premium account from Admirals here on the Premium Analytics if you want. So, Luthendo, wonderful good morning, greeting. Nice to have you here on the show. So, who is on YouTube with me? Joe, Old C. Oh, nice to meet you. Have you back. Nice. Yanis, Darom, Vladimir. Yes, it's like a family. I love it every morning to see you here, guys. Okay. What do we expect today from Admirals? We have a lovely webinar this afternoon. It's trading professionally with moving averages. So one of my congenius partners talking about this. And if you love moving averages, for example, then you should join the session at 3 o'clock German time, by the way. So, and if you have Telegram on your phone or maybe on your screen, then follow, please, the Telegram channel from Admirals, and you will never miss an episode. And of course, you will find the link right now on YouTube and on Zoom with our quickness here. She's really, really quick. Or maybe we should say well prepared. This could be a trader, right? So, Boris, good morning. Okay. Mladen, thank you. I will tell her. Okay, we have the same on that on Twitter. If you have a Twitter account, you can follow Admirals there too. And if you want me, Daytrader70 is my name there. So you can follow me and we can get in touch there. So let's go to the charts. And our long trade in DAX is still open. And yeah, nothing changed because the point of control in DAX 10 minutes is still here on the upper side, 15,937 euros by one future contract. So we are still on track. And yeah, long order is a long trade is still running, but the correction, you see it here in the red lines, is still in a downtrend. So therefore, in case that the downtrend will continue, we don't know, because the point of control is just an information, such an orientation, but that does not mean that the trend cannot continue in the opposite direction. It's just an orientation. Where is the fair price? So therefore, the fair price or the point of control is not part of the rules. It's just an orientation. Yeah, no more, no less. So therefore, I have, in case that the downtrend will continue, I have my pending order here close to the last 0.2. Yeah, and my stop loss is from the long position is, of course, in profit. It's at the last 0.3. So we can do actually nothing. We are prepared for both sides. Yeah, in case we see rising prices, the long position is running. In case the downtrend will continue, then we are prepared for this too. And don't interpret, don't analyze, just follow the rules all the time. Okay, let's go to our focus charts, and we start, of course, with Bitcoin. And in Bitcoin, there is now a valid trend. So here we go. So that's the first trend arm. Victoria, nice to have you here. Good morning. And this is the second one. So and now we are in the correction in the second trend. This is the situation we want and we need. So now we measure how far the correction is going right now. Okay, we have almost 50%, which means we can delete this, which means we can open a position here above, which means for the moment, let's see, let's do it together with my mini terminal. And let's see how we can effort here, and we open a position here and a stop loss below. Okay, yeah, it's okay. I can risk this because if the price is not working for me, I go out immediately. Yeah, and let's do it here that way. Okay, a little bit closer and a stop loss here, and everything is fine. That's cool. Okay. So that's a possible position in Bitcoin, because it's the rules, by the way. Don't forget, I don't care about Bitcoin. It's just a product, and my job is to trade the price. And you know, how is the sentence? Let's sing a song. If you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. I love it. We should make a song. I swear to God, one time we make this song. Okay, so therefore we have to work with strategies, and here is the best strategy to find a cheap price and to buy cheap and sell expensive. So this is the second trend arm, and therefore that's the duty to open the price. And if you can see, oh, we come in and then balance candles and the price is not working, yeah, then let's get out. Yeah, and let's get out and cut the loss, but don't miss the re-entry in case the signal is still there. Dow Jones. Yeah, the downtrend is still running, by the way. Yeah, that's really obvious. So the downtrend is really, it's still there. So here we go. That's the downtrend. So there was a correction. Okay, that was market noisy. So here we go. The downtrend will break here. Do we have a contrary trend right now? Let's see. 1, 2. Did we have a clear close? Yes, we had, which means second trend arm. Yeah. which means as the second trend arm, it's also the duty to open a position there. Okay, we should do it right now. Okay, so let's see how much we can afford here. We come in the correction and here. Okay, that's too much. That's definitely too much. Okay, so let's see if we can afford one. Yeah, okay, that's fine. That's fine. So if the price is not working for me, yeah, I have to go out immediately. Okay, so second trend arm, we have to do it. So then let's go to DAX 40. So what situation do we have here? It's still the downtrend, but also an uptrend. And it's this first trend arm, second, and here is the duty. Entry were here, are now latest at the point 2. So in case you can trade DAX 40 in 4-hourly chart, this is your duty, by the way. Then we have British Pound USD. Trend is still going down. You see, that's really cool. It's really lovely, lovely. Oh my gosh. Did I ever told you that I love trend trading? It's really cool. But the trend is too old right now, so just let it go. Then we have the gold price, and gold really under pressure. So by the way, we have a trend break there, and no new trend for the moment. So I don't care about that. You know, NT. You remember? NT. No trend, no trade. No trend, no trade. Remember, please. Make a note in your handwritten diary. NT. No trend, no trade. So, and silver is running. Okay, so we have another trade in focus chart, but that's Euro USD. Let's talk about it. Oh my gosh. It's going down and down and down. Thanks God, we are in. Okay, so this is market noisy. Yeah, you can ignore this small candle. It's just market noisy. The price is actually, we will see what happens. I don't care because we are in profit with 245 pips. We sold already half the position. Trade is safe. So where is the target? I don't care about the target. I don't care. The market will show me when I have to close the trade because I'm a trend trader and the market will turn the price and the trend. And then we can make a hedge, okay? But currently, and actually, the trend will break here at this purple line. They will trade. They will break the trend right now. Yeah. And as long as the price is not there, we have to do nothing. Stop interpreting. Yeah. Just let the market work. Yeah. Just let it go. Let it go. Musa. Let it go. So, and before we come to enjoy the ride, of course, I enjoy a lot. So before we come to the running trades and possible new trading ideas, I have the question of the day. And you know, it's Friday. My question, did you reach your own goals this week? Yes or no, or I had no goals. I don't want to see someone who click I had no goals. You need a goal every week. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's a big fight. Oh, that's a big fight between I did finally, no, I did not. Ah. Yeah, it's every day a big fight, right? So let's go to the running trades. We start, yesterday, by the way, we have started a long position in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. This is the trend. But afterwards, the price went down and they closed the possible loss. But now I can see there was a balance candle and the price is working for me. So I have a new pending order. I have a new pending order at the last point too. Yeah, in case that this trend will continue, it's still a second trend arm. So I'm prepared for this. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, sorry. There is no trend continuation right now, which means we are in the correction. And yeah, actually, to be honest, there is nothing to do. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, be careful. There is no trend continuation here. There was no close, so we are still in the correction, and we cannot trail the soft stop. We cannot trail the stop loss. It's just no trend continuation here. So keep cool, keep cool. But be prepared in case, yeah, we see maybe this. Yeah, then be prepared that we don't miss a hedging position in case. Then Euro Japanese yen. Yeah, okay. There is the purple line means there is actually my last 0.3. So that is my stop loss. And the hard stop, of course, is in profit. Actually, there is nothing to do. And by the way, there is no contrary trend right now. Nothing to do. So let's go to Euro USD. We had already British pound, Australian dollar. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, right? Damn it. Is that cool when you learn how to let it go? Sometimes we get really rewarded by the market, by our discipline. And I promised you, if we change our behavior, not to miss a signal, never to miss a signal, and to follow under all circumstances the law of probabilities. And it's a logical consequence that you can make money on the market. It's really cool. So now we see a trend continuation. We can trail the soft stop, next 0.3. We can set the alarm here. We can trail the hard stop closer. We cannot lose money, so just let it go. Same. Oh my gosh, New Zealand US dollar. It's going down and down and down. There is actually nothing to do. Let it go. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, we are still in profit. That's really cool. So there is nothing to do. Soft stop is in profit. Just let it go. We will see how much money we may make with this trade. Yeah. And finally, crude oil. Love it, right? Oh, by the way, unfortunately, yesterday there was no trend continuation. No trend continuation. Yeah. But we have still trend candles. There is no balance candle, so just let it go. Maybe we see today a final trend continuation. Then we can trail the stop a bit. Yeah, but just let it go for the moment. Okay, there's another question. If I can have a look at British pound, Japanese yen, of course, we can do this. British pound, yen. Your wish is my command, Remo. So, okay. So first of all, it's a lovely downtrend. Yeah, it's a really lovely downtrend. Just give me a sec to see where it starts. Yeah, it starts here. Mm-hmm. So that's the downtrend, and it seems we will have a break here. That looks good. Okay, so that means, oh, it's a bit too late. It's a bit too late to entry. First trend arm, because there was a trend candle short. So second trend arm, yeah, entry should be here. Okay, it's a bit too late. Yeah, oh, well done, Remo, well done. I haven't seen it, by the way. I haven't seen it right now. So, but I don't jump into the market. I don't do this. So, but yeah, it's a trend, and the entry should be placed here at the last points too. Damn it. Cool. Very, very cool. I'm really proud of you. Really proud. Well, good eyes. So I think that in Euro Swiss franc, we have a great chance for a long trade. Are you sure? I'm not so sure. Euro Swiss franc. Let's see. Yes, we have. Yeah, that's true. Nah. Nah. That hurts. That really hurts. Come on, this is a game. It's Tom Sawyer game here. Nah. Technically, yeah. Technically, the trend is valid. But on a logical path, I can see too much volume. I guess we should have a look at, give me just a sec for the private trader sentiment. Maybe we get a little bit information there. Euro, Swiss franc. So let's see, Euro, Swiss franc. Here we go. Oh, 90% bias. Oh, still 90% bias. No. In this case, no. In this case, no. Then I wait. Then I wait for a clear close above this last point too. And if I have really a clear close, yeah, clear close, yeah, where I can see there's really volume in it, that the institutional money comes in too, but actually there are too many buyers there from private side, which means that actually it could be a clear sign that the price is going down. Yeah. It's not that clear, like, for example, like Remus said here in British pound, Japanese yen. That was kind of clear, yeah, but yeah. Okay, so my proposal still is Australian dollar, Japanese yen, but you could see, okay. So, but this is actually really interesting. It's not really a clear picture anymore. So move, correction, move. Yeah, so there were two relatively clear closes above the last point too, but you can see we have 100% correction lower side. Yeah, and it's really difficult. It's really difficult. Two balanced candles in a row. First, we have down, then one balanced candle as a sign that the down move comes to an end. But now we have a second balanced candle. Maybe, I don't know, at 11 o'clock, we have to wait. Yeah. And I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's have a look at the trader sentiment, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, it's balanced. Okay, everything can happen. Yeah. So if maybe if we have balanced candle, maybe we can trail the entry a little bit closer, of course, so we have a better risk management in case that the price will go up. Yeah. And the next one is a Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yes, that's the point. So what's about Australian dollar, Swiss franc? Trader sentiment, it's balanced. Okay. It's balanced. Okay, so let's see also here. Oh, come on. Okay, that was relatively clear, but game. Look at this one. The game, and we have trend candles now. I don't set a pending order there. Of course not. And New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, it's the same. We have big. You see, no, not really. Move. You see that was also not really clear. Come on. That's dirty pictures. That's really, really dirty pictures. Yeah. Okay. So New Zealand Swiss franc. What do we have here with trader sentiment? Swiss franc 79. Yeah. Yeah. It's not the, but the picture is not really clear. Okay, guys, so we can be focused on our trades, and actually DAX 10 minutes, it's going up with a bit. And so my question for you today was, did you reach your own goals this week? So we have 59%, yeah, I did finally, and 37 said, no, I did not. So, you know, as every Friday, if you finally reached your goals this week, then celebrate it on this weekend with your family, with your friends. Take some glass of wine, yeah, candlelight dinner with your wife, with your girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever there is. Have fun and enjoy, because you deserve it. Because I know how hard it is to fight for your success. And if you're one of those guys who said, no, I did not, it's no problem. It's fine. So, but then go sit down, take your handwritten diary and go through your trades and figure out why you didn't reach your goal this week. There must be always a reason. There's always a reason, cause and effect. So then find the real cause and you can solve it. If you have a real and strong why beyond your intention to become a successful trader, yeah? So the trader sentiment you can find on the premium version from MetaTrader 5 of Admirals. There is in the indicators, there's private trader sentiment. You can find the numbers. So I have someone who makes this list every morning for me, but this is my private list. You will find your own numbers here on Admirals. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you for your attention this week. We had a great week. And by the way, I have almost forgotten. I have to show you this because I'm quite sure we are over 1,000 euros in profit with our trades right now. That's really, really cool. And I promised you we get it. Yeah. And we cope this challenge. So now I wish you a lovely weekend, and I want to say thank you for your attention. And as always, have courage and be kind, and may the force of the rules be with you all the time. See you. Bye-bye.